The one major announcement that we all were looking forward to at the Apple WWDC 2021 was the next operating system for iPhones. The company, yes, revealed the developer's version of iOS 15, but it also revealed everything that will be included in the new operating system. So the company is giving new features to FaceTime. It is bringing changes to iMessages, and there are a lot of things that have been changed for apps like Weather and Maps. And of course, there are new emojis as well. So in this video, we will take you through all the features and everything that has been included by Apple in the new iOS 15. You're watching India Today Tech. I am Pavni Jain, and in this video, we will give you a fair look at all the features that Apple has included in its new iOS 15 for all the iPhone users. The new iOS 15 carries upgrades to FaceTime, messages, photos, and more. So the following updates that I am going to talk about promises to elevate the user experience for iPhones. So let's have a look. FaceTime gets a lot of additional features in the new iOS 15. So starting with the spatial audio feature, which is a 3D sound formats, it makes sure that your video calls look more natural. With this feature, it will become easy to determine who is speaking in a group call by making the audio seem to come from the person's portrait currently talking. In addition to this, voice isolation improvements will help cut background noise, while a wide spectrum audio mode will also be available. Then comes the grid view feature that will show every attendee in a large size style format so that you can keep a track of the person who is actually speaking. Apple has introduced portrait mode on FaceTime to make attendees stand out from their background while they're speaking on a video call. However, the big update on the FaceTime is that you can share links similar to Zoom links with anybody, and it can be opened on any device. Even Android users can also participate. During the lockdown, a lot of us were busy finding ways to connect and party with our friends online, right? With the new feature included in FaceTime, which is Share Play, people can actually watch movies together, listen to music together, and can share their screens with their friends without any hassle. Even iMessages become really interesting with the new iOS 15. So the messages will now show multiple photos shared in a chat in a new collage design. In addition, Apple has introduced shared stacks to it, which will bring over content shared with the user from messages to their news app and photos app for display. Next is the addition of the focus features to reduce distraction for users. For example, notification summary. So now with notification summary, it is there to refine and sort the notifications as per the convenience of the users. This is coupled with new statuses for focus, meaning you can choose to see notifications from certain apps at a specific time of the day, making your phone functions more specific to routines like workouts, office, or your personal time. These changes will take effect across the home screen, notification preferences across devices. In addition, Do Not Disturb will now let users know your status through the Messages app. It will even let them bypass the DND and ping you in case of an important interaction. iOS 15 introduces live text to photos, which allows users to pick up on the text that is seen on the images. So the text you see will be turned digitally, which means you will be able to share that text with your friends. You can copy it and paste it. Also, tapping on that text will also help you find locations. Photos Memories has also been upgraded to create on-tap videos using music from Apple Music. While viewing, users can tap and hold these memories for pausing photos while the music continues to play. Music can also be selected personally by the users. Weather app has been given a new design, better weather graphics, and also peppy backgrounds. Now coming to the maps, the details of the new roads have been added, and also the complex interchanges have been made more clearer for a smooth user experience. Other knickknacks included are Conversation Boost, notifications that can be announced, and Find My feature, which has been enhanced for users. So these were the things brought by Apple in the new iOS 15. For now, the company has released the developer version and the public version of the same will be arrived next month. Now you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to India Today Tech YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.